Welcome to today's video. If you use Telegram Web on your computer and want to keep more control over your privacy, this guide is exactly what you need. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to prevent specific contacts from adding your link when they forward your messages on Telegram Web, all according to the latest update. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Once you're on your chat screen, look toward the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you'll find various options to adjust your account and privacy preferences. Next, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Privacy and Security. This section lets you manage who can see your activity, profile information, and message sharing permissions. Now scroll down until you find the option that says, "Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my messages?" Click on it. This setting controls whether people can attach a link to your account when they share or forward your messages to others, a key feature for keeping your privacy intact. From the available options, choose My Contacts. This means only the people you've added as contacts can link your account when forwarding your messages. But we're not done yet. We're going to set exceptions to make sure some users are completely restricted. Click on Never Allow, then select the users you don't want to have permission to add your link in forwarded messages. You can pick as many as you like. Just browse your contact list and select the ones you want to block from this specific action. Finally, click on Confirm to save your settings. That's it. You've successfully customized your Telegram Web privacy so that chosen contacts can no longer add your link when forwarding your messages.